Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious pumpkin pie empanadas, the ultimate fall dessert you won't be able to resist. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I have all of my ingredients, and as always, I will leave them all listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's get started. We're going to begin by making our filling. In our saucepan, we're going to add our pure pumpkin. Going to add our brown sugar, our vanilla, pumpkin pie spice, and ground cinnamon. We're going to turn it on medium-high heat, mix it, and allow it to heat up. Okay, and after 3 minutes, our filling is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our dough. To make our dough, in a large bowl, we're going to add our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. We mix it well, then begin to crumble the butter into having a sand-like consistency. Once we crumbled all of our butter, we're going to slowly add our 1 cup of cold milk and mix it all together until we have formed our dough. Now we begin to divide it into even small balls. I like to use my scale just to make sure that they are all even. This helps to make sure they all bake evenly. Okay, so once we have divided our dough, now we're going to grease our baking sheet. I'm just using butter. Okay, so now we're going to set it to the side so we can begin rolling. Okay, so we're going to begin by dusting our clean countertop. Going to grab our ball of dough, dust it as well, and now we can get ready to roll it out. So I'm going to roll it about 6 times, just like that. Now we're going to grab our pumpkin. Make sure that it has cooled down. Going to be grabbing about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to close it. We're going to press the edges so we can make sure that everything gets nice and sealed, and just kind of fold it, press it down, just kind of create a beautiful little edge. Okay, so now we transfer it to our baking sheet and we repeat the process. Okay, so once we have our empanadas all nicely stuffed, we're going to allow them to chill for 10 minutes in the freezer. Alrighty, so after 10 minutes, we're going to get ready to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, as well as to making our egg wash. So I have 1 egg here. To that, I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of milk and just whisk it. Okay, so once we have our egg wash and our oven is set to 350 degrees, we can pull out empanadas and begin to brush them. And just make sure that the dough has dried out. So like that, we can brush them with our egg. And just make sure you brush the whole empanada like that. And I like to sprinkle a little sugar. And we repeat. Alrighty, and once we have brushed our empanadas, we're going to place them in the oven and allow them to bake for 20 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 20 minutes, our empanadas are done. So now we're just going to allow them to cool down before we getting ready to enjoy. Alrighty, and once our empanadas have cooled down, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Get your cup of coffee, milk, champurrado, hot chocolate, however you want to enjoy these delicious empanadas. These empanadas are seriously the easiest empanadas you'll be able to make, and they're seriously delicious. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. They're so soft, so buttery, just perfect. And of course, the pumpkin, it's sweet, just so delicious. Seriously, the perfect dessert. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make some delicious pumpkin pie empanadas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.